Evacuation immediate. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Salem County Sheriff's Department and the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. An explosive device of unknown type was detonated at the Hope Creek Nuclear Generating Station. This explosion has caused the core to destabilize. Radiation leaks are taking place. The entire population of Salem County is in immediate danger. Everyone must evacuate the county now. When evacuating, only take essential supplies. These supplies include, but not limited to, non-perishable food, bottled water, a first aid kit, a battery-powered or hand crank radio with extra batteries, clean clothing, emergency money and identification. Contraflow has been enacted on all roads leading into and out of the county. Public transportation will cease normal scheduling to assist in evacuation efforts. Carpool if possible. If you cannot evacuate, call 911 and you will be assisted. Tie a blue cloth to your mailbox to indicate that you heeded the evacuation order. Do not attempt to pick up friends or family from schools, hospitals or nursing homes. These facilities have their own evacuation procedures. Please listen to all instructions given by authorities. Shelters in adjacent counties have been opened. Those outside the evacuation zone getting this alert should take shelter indoors now. This message will repeat.